Hi guys, welcome to Join the Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make my all-purpose or multi-purpose dough recipe. To start off, you would need 450 grams of all-purpose flour, ,450 grams of bread flour, then mix your all-purpose flour and then your bread flour until well incorporated. Now in your mixing bowl, combine 500 milliliters of warm milk, one packet of active dry yeast, 80 grams of honey, then one large egg. Then using your dough hook attachment, mix to combine. Add your flour mixture gradually to avoid overmixing your dough. Remember, overmixing leads to a tougher bread. When you see your dough has absorbed all the liquid, add 150 grams of salted butter. Now knead the dough on low speed until it pulls away from the sides of the bowl. It would take approximately 15 to 20 minutes for your dough to be almost ready. I usually knead my dough for at least 30 seconds to make sure that the dough is ready, just to feel if it needs more kneading or not. Place your dough on a slightly greased bowl, then cover with a plastic wrap. I usually leave my dough inside the fridge for 2 hours for it to rise and for the flavors to develop. When your dough has rested and doubled in size, you can make almost all types of bread recipes with this dough. You can make burger buns, slider buns, cinnamon rolls, dinner rolls, just name it. As for me, I made pistachio rolls and custard buns with this recipe. If you're interested to see the recipe for both of those, stay tuned to my channel because I will be posting it next week. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated when the recipes are ready on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.